Hey there, this is the Director of Change, Benjamin Harvey, and I just wanted to say welcome to 2012. I hope you've got your year mapped out. I hope you've got some goals that are going to make something of you, and I hope you're inspired by what this year is going to bring for you. Now, today I wanted to share with you a very simple and effective technique that I've been using for years to allow me to take action. And if you want to know how you achieve what you want in this year, it's to take action. That's really what it's all about. Now, actions are based on the decisions you take, and the decisions you take are based on the thoughts and the feelings and the way you move your physical body. So one of the things that I like to do is if I'm struggling with a goal or something that I'd like to achieve, and I just sit there and I'm procrastinating and I can't move forward, one of the things that I like to do is to ask myself two very simple questions. And the first question I ask myself is, what's stopping me? And I just ask myself that question. I just write down as many answers as I can get to that. So say, for example, I wanted to, record a newsletter, for example. And I'm sitting there and I'm just procrastinating 4 hours, 5 hours, 2 days, 3 days, and I haven't recorded the newsletter for the month. Then I just simply ask myself, what's stopping me? And I write down, well, maybe I've got to get the camera lighting right. Maybe I want to get the microphone correct. Maybe I don't know what topic that I want to share with you today, or I don't know, everything I can think of that's stopping me. Then the second question I ask myself is, what would have to happen in order for me to start immediately? What would have to happen in order for me to start immediately? And then I just write down whatever the answers are to that. And then what I do with that is I look at the answer that is most likely going to create the most amount of momentum towards that goal. So for recording a newsletter, for example, what would have to happen? I'd have to set the camera up. What would have to happen? I'd have to get my microphone lapel mic attached to my shirt. What would have to happen? I'd have to check that my suit coat looks okay. And these are some of the things that would have to happen in order for me to be speaking to you right now. Once I know what that is, I can get those tasks underway and then start moving towards my goals. I hope this has assisted you. I said it's a very simple way to ensure that you're going to be achieving lots of your goals throughout 2012. And I do want to just mention, we do have a course coming up called The Biology of Action. It's a one-day course, and the course normally sells for about $197, but we're doing an online special at the moment. And if you just look down below, there is actually a link there that will allow you to attend the course for just $27. It is a full-day course. At the end of this course, you'll have your entire 2012 mapped out. We'll show you some incredible techniques and strategies for breaking down goals and creating action plans. We'll teach you about some interesting ways in which to manage your time, in which to chunk down tasks using what we call strategic engineering. And I'm going to teach you a 4-step system that I have been using to literally achieve all the goals I've ever written down on my goals list. So I would love for you to come along. There's going to be heaps of fun and entertainment. You're going to meet a whole new group of people. If you haven't been to one of our events before, you'll get to join the authentic community and see what it's all about. And most importantly, you're going to leave there with a really clear plan of what it is you want to achieve this year. And my parting thought that I want to leave with you before you click the link below, in fact, just click it anyway, because as I said, it's only $27. But the thing about this year is, think about your goals in this way. When you write a goal, think about what it will make of you in order to achieve that goal, not so much the goal itself. So think about it that way. What will this goal make of me in order to achieve it? And that's really the best way of setting goals. I look forward to seeing you at Biology of Action or somewhere in person sometime soon. And until we meet again, smile often, live your love, and do whatever it takes to be your own best friend. I'll see you soon.